Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's episode, we'll be making strawberry Pop-Tart Blondies. Now, we've made Blondies on here before, but I thought we'd add a twist. To start, we have all of our ingredients. 1 1/4 cup of packed brown light sugar, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, a half teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of strawberry jam, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of whole milk, and then sprinkles for decoration. We will be using our milk, our powdered sugar, and our sprinkles for both icing and decoration. So for our first step, we're going to blend together our 2 sugars and our butter. Light brown sugar, granulated sugar, and our 3/4 cup of butter. Blend this at medium-high speed until it is well combined. Now that our butter and our sugar are mixed, we're going to add in our 2 eggs and our 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add in our eggs one at a time, and then we'll add our vanilla after. Just one reminder is that you don't want to overmix this because you could separate the butter and the sugar. We're going to move on to our next step. We're going to add in our 2 cups of flour and then our salt. And then we're going to blend this together. Alright, so now that everything's fully combined, okay, now we're going to add it in. And we want kind of a small, even bottom layer to our pan. And this is where the fun part comes in, where we're going to make our quote-unquote Pop-Tart Blondies. And then we're going to take some of our strawberry jam, and we're going to take like a spoonful, and we're going to make little pockets of where the jam is going to be. And we're going to add another layer on top. And we're going to add a few more dots. And we're going to take our chopstick, fork, whatever you have, and we're going to kind of make a little swirl pattern. Alright, so we have our oven preheated at 350 degrees. And we're going to pop this in for around 40 to 45 minutes. Here is our finished blondie, strawberry blondie. So we're going to start by making our icing next. So I have our 1 cup of powdered sugar, got our 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, and we're going to whisk this together. And then we can add sprinkles to decorate. And there we go. That is our finished Pop-Tart Blondies, or should I say strawberry Pop-Tart Blondies. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!